Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection woodworking project idea for beginners craft and sell profitable projects today. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Woodworking has long been seen as a craft requiring years of skill, expensive tools, and a full-fledged workshop. But in today's world, that perception is rapidly shifting. A new generation of creators, many of them complete beginners, are discovering that woodworking is not only accessible, but also incredibly profitable when approached with the right mindset and tools. The unique consistency of this balance between accessibility and profitability lies in the marriage of simplicity and value. Simple projects that can be made with limited resources, but hold high value for modern consumers seeking handmade, authentic, and functional design. Woodworking for beginners isn't just a hobby, it's a business opportunity waiting to unfold. At its core, it taps into one of humanity's oldest desires, to work with our hands and create something useful and beautiful. That desire, once restricted to seasoned craftsmen, is now open to almost anyone willing to learn. The abundance of beginner-friendly tutorials, affordable tools, and readily available materials makes it easier than ever to jump in. But what elevates this craft from a pastime to a potential source of income is how consistently these beginner-level projects can appeal to buyers. Start simple. A cutting board, a rustic shelf, a small wooden planter. These are projects that can be done in a few hours, require minimal tools, and sell well both online and in local markets. That simplicity is the key to accessibility. You don't need a table saw to create a stunning board. You don't need a full lathe setup to craft a stylish phone stand. What you do need is the intention to learn and the drive to build. The rest follows. And as each project is completed, a maker doesn't just gain a finished item, they gain confidence. That confidence grows with every board cut, every joint fit, and every finish applied. But it's the consistency of market demand that makes this truly special. People love wood. It's warm, durable, tactile, and timeless. Unlike plastic or metal, it carries an emotional weight. It reminds us of nature, of heritage, of simplicity. When customers hold a handmade wooden key holder or coaster, they're not just buying utility, they're buying a piece of someone's time, care, and story. That connection creates consistent demand, especially as more people move towards sustainable and locally made products. The rise of Etsy, local makers markets, and home decor pop-ups proves that customers are eager to support craftspeople who bring character and authenticity into everyday items. For beginner woodworkers, this opens a powerful door. Because the projects are simple and materials are often affordable, even reclaimed or scrap wood can be transformed, profit margins are surprisingly high. A $3 piece of pine can be turned into a $25 wall hook rack. A repurposed pallet might yield 3 plant holders, each selling for $20. And these aren't rare occurrences, they're repeatable, scalable, and manageable for someone just starting out. You can batch make a dozen products in a weekend, list them online, and generate steady income while refining your craft. This cycle of create, sell, improve is where growth begins. The consistency of the process, accessible building, repeatable success, profitable sales, builds a momentum that fuels both creativity and entrepreneurship. And because beginner woodworking thrives on utility and simplicity, there's no pressure to reinvent the wheel with each project. In fact, the opposite is true. The most profitable items are often the most practical: floating shelves, desk organizers, utensil holders, wine racks. They serve everyday functions in people's lives, but do so with a charm and personality that only handmade work can offer. Importantly, woodworking also teaches business principles in real time. Makers learn about pricing, branding, photography, marketing, and customer feedback. They see what resonates with buyers. They understand the value of presentation, storytelling, and packaging. Selling a wooden serving tray isn't just about the object, it's about how it fits into someone's lifestyle. This tray adds warmth to your morning coffee ritual, or handmade from salvaged walnut, finished with natural oils. This kind of messaging adds meaning, and meaning adds value. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, and join a growing community that loves making spaces feel like home, and to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Social media only amplifies this effect. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are filled with creators showcasing their process, time-lapse builds, before and after shots, behind-the-scenes insights. Viewers don't just see a cutting board, they see the hours of work, the sanding, the oiling, the pride. And those viewers become customers. Some even become repeat clients or brand ambassadors. In this way, woodworking for beginners becomes a living portfolio, each product a testament to progress, each sale a step forward in both craft and commerce. The emotional connection extends to the maker as well. There's something undeniably rewarding about turning raw material into something functional. Every successful sale validates the hours of learning. Every kind review reinforces the joy of giving your best work to the world. And as this cycle continues, beginner woodworkers often find themselves evolving, not just in skill, but in identity. They go from hobbyists to craftspeople, from weekend makers to small business owners. It's a journey that starts with one project and unfolds into a lifestyle. And perhaps most meaningfully, this path is inclusive. You don't need to be a master carpenter. You don't need a shop full of expensive equipment. You just need a workspace, a few hand tools, a bit of wood, and a willingness to learn. Accessibility means anyone, regardless of age, background, or budget, can participate. Profitability means that participation has tangible rewards. Together, they form a rare and powerful combination. So when we talk about the unique consistency of woodworking for beginners, we're really talking about opportunity. An opportunity to make, to sell, to grow, to connect, to create value from something as simple as a plank of wood. In a world driven by noise, distraction, and overconsumption, woodworking offers something beautifully grounded. A moment to slow down, a way to build meaning, and a path to profitability, not by rushing, but by returning to the honest craft of working with your hands. Because in the end, it's not just about wood. It's about possibility. And that's something every beginner can believe in. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking project idea for beginners craft and sell profitable projects today. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.